The dry Zayanda route, the salt marsh of Oromia, and severe decrease of subterranean waters and land subsidence are a few subsequences of recent years of drought for Iran, a country which has always been suffering from shortage of water. Situation in central region is comparatively worse. Water rationing is off and on being heard. Everything is apparently calm, but it may be tranquility before the storm. The crisis is not on the way, but has reached a peak. Farmers are looking up to the sky, hoping to have productive years. Sharon Pervin, educated in informatic engineering, is a German resident. He claims that he is able to create rain.
When the authorities first saw this primeval device, they could not believe we could have any practical effect on the weather with this rusted tubes and pipes. Making rain was not my subject in the first place. I studied something more beneficial to myself, but then, visiting my country of origin, I recognized that people are suffering from the shortage of water, not just in my homeland Iran, but around the globe. So I decided to spend time and money for this issue. In 2009, after years of research and investigation in modern and older sciences, I felt ready to try out the most promising method I was able to find. And now, after passing about 50 tests, I can say all tests were successful. First thing we notice is a decrease of temperature. Then wind comes up and clouds follow. And we obviously have a bearing on those clouds that can bring rain, and furthermore a bearing on the whole weather and climate.
Pervin Engineering Group has experimented several tests in different parts of Iran, almost all of which have been successful. This time he has selected Kashan region and has settled in Safiabad area, a suitable place having the distance to the mountains and telecommunication posts. Friday, 22nd May. The final target was to absorb 2 sets of rainy clouds from over the Red and Mediterranean Sea towards Kashan. On the contrary to the weather forecast, there was probability of raining on Friday and more on Saturday. On Friday, the clouds were disappearing so quickly and were not being heaped up, but engineer Pervin's works were not ineffective on environmental circumstances.
Today you can tell the color of the mountains. You can see the silhouette, detect the outlines. Overall, it is clearer compared to what we saw yesterday. You could hardly see the mountain at all. Something grayish on the horizon. Somewhat similar to what we see over there. We already have more birds here flying and singing, and we will most probably have even more tomorrow. The birds seem to feel the changes happening here, feeling that this is getting a more life-friendly place.
Saturday, 23rd May. All the result attempts are depending on today's result. It was said yesterday that even if it doesn't rain, at least some clouds would be formed. It was around noon when the situation changed. A heap of clouds were moving towards us, and the eventuality of raining was increasing.
My guess is that it might have rained or it will rain in Ramsar district. Yes, I believe in the next few days we will have rain, close to here in Kashan country.
We were informed of a storm in Isfahan and shower in Tehran on Saturday. This is not strange because engineer Perveen is estimating the effect of his work to radius up to 400 kilometers of distance and a period of 3 months. On Thursday, the weather forecast had foreseen a sunny day for Kashan. By the afternoon, we witnessed dust and mist in the air along with the thunder and rain in Kamsa.
تقریبا ساعت 8:30 بودش. بارندگی خیلی خوبی. یه ساعته که بارون میومد قمصر آب می‌بردن. ابری نبود نه، هوا صاف بود. به نیم ساعت کشید یه توده ابر از این ور اومد و یه رعد و برقی شروع کرد به بارون اومده.